What's up, people? God, I'm turning red just like doing this and no one's even around. Hey, get your ass down. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. What's up, folks? So I'm back today with my second video in a row. I know, shocking, even for me. But that means one thing. I'm not taking any classes right now till May 13th. So I got some time on my hands to do this. So I was like, I'll do it. Today's video, I'm making fattoush. Fattoush is a Arabic dish, salad. I don't even know if it's Arabic. It's probably definitely Middle Eastern. So yeah, but it consists of your basic like salad ingredients plus pita bread, fried pita bread. I'm not having fried pita bread in mine because I can't have carbs, but please feel free to do so because it's really damn good if you put it in there. But I can put it in there. Some might be like, oh, it's not even fattoush then. Probably not, but basically it's fattoush. I don't know what to tell you. Okay, so if you guys want to see how I make this bomb ass salad, hold on to your damn, I was gonna say panties, but just hold on to your chips. I have my bag of goodies right here, and it's got all different produce items in there, and I will pull them out and I'll show you, and I'll chop, and I'll show you how I do that as well. I'll probably tilt the camera down a little more, but for the most part you're just gonna see my body in it, and then you'll see the rest. So we're gonna start with a cutting board. It is clean, but it's stained, so I can't help that. I don't know about you, but I stained my cutting board. One of the key ingredients that you will need is a bowl of some sort. I'll use this because I'm only making it for me and Dylan, so it's not really that many people. We'll be fine with the small one. I should like lay out all the ingredients that you will need so that you don't have to watch the video. So, you will need a bell pepper. You know, do it according to the portions you need, but there's only 2 of us, so I don't even need a half because I'm using a couple different colors, so I'll probably use like a quarter of this, and then cucumber, carrots, radishes. Do not, damn, we lost the radish. Do not miss out on radishes because some people are like not very fond of the flavor, even though they don't have much of a flavor, but it's so good. Dylan doesn't even like radishes, but she eats this like a tomato, some cilantro. I also have green and red bell peppers. I also need a lemon, avocado. I don't know why I'm adding O's to the end of everything. A jalapeno. I like mine spicy. You can skip out on this if you want to. You'll also need garlic, lettuce of your choice. Romaine, I feel works best, especially when you see how I chop it. I feel like it gives it the best cut. Also, what you don't see here, but you should probably have, but I didn't realize I had it, and I don't have it, and I'm not gonna go back and get it, is a red onion. Red onion, so needed. Also, olive oil. I'll list everything down below. I think I will in a list so that, like, you know, if you want to just skip through the video, at least you know what it is. So I'm gonna get started. 109. Start by everything. You have your red, what is it? What the hell? Orange, red, green, cucumbers, and tomato. Ooh, all diced. So we're gonna just take the bowl and we're gonna put them on. With his words killing me Even though I stopped the chopping part, I still have the avocados and cilantro Romaine to chop, but those I'm just gonna do at the end. But right now we're gonna need one of these handy dandy what are they? Graters. And you're gonna take your garlic. I have about 3 cloves. I have this much carrots. That's about like 2.5 probably. Your jalapeno, and you're just gonna grate them. The garlic and the jalapeno, I'm gonna grate them a little. And you're gonna take your carrots, but the carrots we're gonna grate on the big side. So that's about it for the chopping part, but I still gotta do the parsley and the avocado, but I'm just gonna show you. That should look like that. You have your carrots, garlic, jalapenos, radishes, onions, everything. Well, not onions because I have onions, but that's what it looks like. Now we're gonna get to chopping the romaine. I'm only gonna use 1 head because there's only 2 of us. Once again, I like to cut it one way, long ways like this, so that the leaf is not super long. Like this, and put it on. You can take your cilantro, not parsley. What is this? The guy that can't get no love from me, hanging out
another passenger side of his best friend's ride.
We're gonna take the avocado and we're just gonna put it in a bowl. I ended up going to Publix to get a red onion because it isn't needed to put a salad, so it's really, really good. I'll show you how I chop this. So what we do is, longest is just gonna go like this.
Trying to let me, I don't want no.
Your final product and your lemon. You're gonna take some salt. I would say about a lot of salt. Not a lot, but I like a lot of salt. Salt to taste. I've always wanted to say that. And we're gonna put about a quarter cup of olive oil. Fuck! I'm not supposed to toss the whole salad or else it's gonna get soggy for tomorrow.
For the views.
Are you gonna have extra? You gonna eat it soggy? Because we don't have a choice, I don't have anything else. And we're just gonna toss it.
But Spum is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging on the passenger.
And that's the final product. It tastes really, really good. I mean, now, look away. I'm done fucking recording the part where I go and toss it, so now I have to actually show it. This bitch ain't going nowhere. That's it. That's how you guys make fattoush. If you guys want to see another video, I might film another video one day throughout the week, or I don't know. We'll see, depending on when classes start again. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Side of his best friend's ride. Trying to holler at me.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
Trying to holler at